Hello, I'm Kimi from Guangzhou CYS Auto Parts, Korea's factory for air suspension and air compressor products. I'm very happy to introduce you Land Rover range front air suspension shock. One with ABS, one without, but they look the same from the outside. This one will show you it's with ABS. 2 needles is inside here. If you're not sure, please send us your charge number and we will check for you. CYS sales team is very professional and we will help you find the correct one. Guaranteed quality with 1 year's warranty. Any interested, please contact with us. Thanks and have a nice day. See you.